idea car enthusiasts and aspiring entrepreneurs, get ready to rev up your wealth as I unveil the secrets to owning elite car clubs and rentals without spending a penny. Welcome to another thrilling episode of Money on Wheels, where you get to turbocharge your financial knowledge and fuel your drive for success. So buckle up, because this ride is about to get exciting. Imagine the adrenaline rush of having a sleek, luxurious cars at your disposal, and the satisfaction of providing unforgettable experiences to others. Now, brace yourself for a mind-blowing revelation. Did you know that you can own an elite car club or rental business without shelling out a single cent? Today, I'll be sharing tactics and advice that would empower you to take charge and pursue personal freedom, grant you the ability to dictate your schedule in the future, and ensure the well-being of your loved ones. On that note, let's go! Step 1. Seek partnerships or joint venture. Imagine approaching an existing luxury car club or rental company with an irresistible proposition. You see, by you bringing your skills, expertise, or resources, and in return, you get to secure a share of the ownership or profits of the business. Think about that for a second. It's like joining forces with the speedsters of industry. Okay guys, if you're loving this video on Rev Up Your Wealth, where I'll be sharing how to unlock the secrets to owning elite car clubs and rentals without spending a penny, then I appreciate it if you can show me some love by giving me a thumbs up. You see, your support will help the YouTube algorithm share this video with more people who share our passion. And while you're at it, why don't you just hit the subscribe button? That way, you never miss out on my latest videos. Let's move on to step number 2, which is time to put some sweat equity into the game. If you want to own a successful car rental for the rich and wealthy, you will need to roll up your sleeves and show your commitment. I advise that you offer your time, effort, and skills to help grow this business. And I'll share some tips for you guys. Whether it's managing operations, providing exceptional customer service, or implementing killer marketing strategies, your dedication will definitely pay off. And that will make you have a strong skin in the game, where you get to negotiate the percentage of ownership or profits based on the value you bring to the table. So guys, I encourage you to get ready to sweat for success. Step number 3, rev up your business plan. Buckle up guys. A well-prepared business plan is your golden ticket. So here's what you need to do. Craft a comprehensive document that paints your vision, identifies your target market, outlines your marketing strategies, and projects your financial success. You see, a rock-solid plan will attract potential investors or partners who will be thrilled to join you in this exhilarating journey. Step number 4. Seek angel investors or venture capitalists. Alright guys, it's time to ignite the engines of opportunity. I highly recommend you explore the world of angel investors and venture capitalists who share your passion for the luxury car industry. So here are a few ideas that you can leverage to attract potential investors. Try to attend luxury car exhibitions, conferences, and trade shows focused on the automotive industry. These events often attract investors interested in the sector. You get to network with attendees and explore opportunities to connect with potential investors. Also, you get to utilize online platforms and communities dedicated to startups, entrepreneurships, and investment. Websites like AngelList, Ghost, LinkedIn can help you identify investors who have expressed interest in the automotive or the luxury sector. So I advise you to join relevant groups, participate in discussions, and reach out to potential investors directly. Finally, participate in pitch competitions or apply to incubator programs specifically tailored to the automotive or luxury car industry. These platforms often attract investors looking for promising startups in the sector. The ability to win or gain acceptance into such programs can increase your visibility and attract investor attention. Guys, it's important to say this again. You need to craft a compelling pitch backed by your business plan, and then you confidently present it to potential investors. Show them the unique value your venture brings and highlight its potential for profitability. Once they catch the drift, they may invest and provide capital to make your ownership dreams a reality. Step number 5. Shift into high gear by approaching luxury car dealerships or manufacturers. Guys, as I mentioned earlier, you can engage in industry-specific networks and organizations that focus on luxury cars or automotive startups. You see, these networks often host events, provide mentorship programs, and also facilitate investor introductions. Examples include the Luxury Car Club, Automotive News, or your local automobile associations. Picture this: to operate a car club or rental business using the extraordinary vehicles, you need to reach out to these powerhouses and propose a partnership that will leave them in awe. And when you get to sit down with them, you then present a detailed plan on how you market and promote their brand, and as well, you get to negotiate a revenue sharing or commission-based agreement. It's like being in the forefront of the luxury car industry without the initial investments. Step number 6. Get ready to accelerate your success with franchise opportunities.
Show me the money.
Exploring luxury car club or rental franchises can offer you a shortcut to owning and operating your own branch. These franchises provide you with the support, training, and access to their brand and resources. In return, you pay a franchise fee or ongoing royalties. It's like having the keys to a ready-made luxury empire. Step 7. Harness the power of your network and put your connections in the driver's seat for you to leverage your existing network and connections to seek referrals and recommendations. I advise you reach out to industry experts, mentors, or other entrepreneurs who have received funding in the luxury car space. They may be able to introduce you to potential investors or provide valuable insights. This way, you get to share your business idea with your personal and professional contacts. So I encourage you guys to tap into potential investors or partners who have the capital or resources to join you on this thrilling journey. Networking, guys, is definitely the double boost your dreams need. Step 8. Rev up your funding through the power of the crowd. Guys, another way is to utilize crowdfunding platforms to gather the necessary capital for your luxury car club or rental business. You see, by creating an enticing campaign that captivates the essence of your venture, and you also get to offer attractive incentives for contributors. Together, they can help you fuel up your ownership dreams and make them a reality. Step 9. Start small and watch your dreams grow. Every journey begins with a single step. You see, if owning an entire luxury car club or rental business can seem daunting initially, so this is what you have to do. It's best to start with a smaller operation. Offer exclusive luxury car experiences or rentals to a niche market. And there are a lot of people out there who actually do this. Take for example, this guy based in Lagos, Nigeria, or this guy. Regardless of their societal backgrounds, what set them apart is their love for luxury cars and the ability to share the experience with car-loving enthusiasts like yourselves. You see, as your business gains traction and generates profits, you invest wisely to expand and acquire ownership in larger ventures. Remember guys, Rome wasn't built in a day, but you'll be conquering the roads in no time. And there you have it guys, these powerful strategies I just shared will definitely propel you from zero to hero in the world of elite car clubs and rentals. But always remember, it takes persistence, negotiation skills, and the ability to demonstrate the value you bring to the table. While owning a luxury car club or rental business without an initial investment may seem like an impossible feat, these strategies I just shared can actually help you unlock partnership and ownership opportunities that align perfectly with your goals and aspirations. Alright guys, check this out. I've opened an incredible Etsy store packed with unique items that will make you stand out from the crowd. From fashion-forward accessories to one-of-a-kind home decor, we've got it all. And the best part, for a limited time, I'm offering a mind-blowing 20% discount to the first 100 buyers. That's right, you can save big while making a statement with your style. I know you're wondering, how do I get my hands on these incredible items? It's simple. With a few clicks, you could be a proud owner of this amazing t-shirt. I hate mad, but love counting money. Or you could purchase any other fantastic item that catches your eye. Remember, this offer won't last forever, and those first 100 spots are going fast. So click the link, explore my Etsy store, and grab your favorites before they're gone. One more thing guys, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more valuable content. Also, if you've enjoyed learning a lot from this video, Rev Up Your Wealth, where I talked about unlocking the secrets to owning elite car clubs and rentals without spending a penny, then you won't want to miss my next video on how to make money using Google's AI. In the video, you'll discover the secrets of leveraging Google's AI technology that you can use to create your ultimate side hustle in 2023. You also got to learn step-by-step strategies to monetize your skills and unlock new income streams with the power of artificial intelligence. I hope you enjoyed this exhilarating ride through the world of elite car clubs and rentals. If you're ready to take the driver's seat on your path to financial success, don't forget to check out the links in the video description below for additional resources, including recommended books, websites, and tools. And make sure guys to hit the subscribe button and join our Money on Wheels community for more exciting journeys. I'll see you guys in the next video. Until next time, always stay money smart. Take care. Bye.